having dinner, it's different because dinner is typically a larger portion. Chicken and rice, steak and potato, and all of that stuff, a larger portion plus salad and all of that. So therefore, you would fold the napkin in half. However, this is what you don't do though. You don't act like, you don't make a scene. The proper thing to do is do it gracefully. Place it on the side, fold it in half, and nicely place it on your lap. When you place it on your lap, the folded side faces your body. Let's do that, please. Place the napkin ring on the left, on the table. Fold it gracefully on the side, in half. Then you would place it on your lap gracefully with the folded side toward your body. Unfold your legs, ladies, please. Thank you. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Now, once your posture is up and your napkin is on your lap, you are ready to dine. Now, keep in mind, if your napkin falls on the floor or a utensil, do not pick it up. Don't ever pick up anything that has fallen because you will transfer the germs from the floor to the table. If you're in a restaurant and it has fallen, the proper thing to do, once they're in your area, I'm sorry, I dropped my napkin. May I have another one, please? Not can I, you would say may I, and follow with please. And of course, the response will be sure. They will get a new one for you, then they will pick up the dirty one and take it away. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, especially when you're dining with others, you have to be very careful because you pick up that napkin and next thing you know, it's right here. It's like, did you just take that up off the floor and put it on the table? That's rude. So we don't ever want to do that, all right? When it's time to get rid of some fragments of food on your mouth, we do not wipe our mouth. We simply place the napkin over our index finger. Let's do that, please. Over your index finger, left or right hand. And you dab. You dab. You do not wipe, you dab. And that's the graceful thing to do. Then, of course, you place it back on your lap. Great job, ladies.